Project is attaching this fingernail brush, which came attached to a bottle of hand cleaner that I had purchased. I'm going to attach it to the front of my workshop laundry tub sink, which is over here. We're going to attach it right here, right in front of the sink, so that you can just rub your fingers on it and it'll always be in the same spot every time. I've got here are two holes in this, kind of a recessed back here. I've got a piece of, let's see what it is. It's a 1/2-inch key stock. We drilled a couple of holes in this that match these holes right here, so it's going to sit behind. That will give me a solid mounting surface. And my bolts will go through here, out through here, through the side of the sink, right at the top of course. We don't want to put the holes anywhere near the bottom. And the bolts will attach to this piece of metal here, which is 1/2 by 1/8, I believe. And I've tapped some 1024 holes in it. The holes in the 1/2-inch by 1/2-inch are clearance for the 1024 screws, which would be 3/16 of an inch. So we'll proceed to drill our holes right now in the part of the sink that we need to. I'm going to use this for a guide, and you'll see what I mean in a second. What we're going to do here, I've marked this as the center of the sink. I'm going to use this as a guide. I'll put this on here, and then I'll take this 1/2 by 1/2 piece with a couple of holes in it, center it on here, take my drill, and drill a couple of 3/16 holes in the side of the sink. Okay, there's my fingernail cleaner mounted right on the front of the sink, where I can just go like this and I'm done. The other project that I just completed was getting rid of this piece of wood, which held all of my center drills. I would find that if I reached for something over here or over here, I would catch my hand on it and cut my fingers, because they're pretty sharp center drills. Anyway, we wanted to get rid of this. And it was pretty much like this one up here, where the holes were drilled at a little bit of an angle so that I could remove things and put them back in. But it wasn't working really well for me. So we got rid of that, and we came up with this. It slides out. You get whatever you want out of it, put it back in, slide it right back. This in here was essentially wasted space. So it's cost me nothing to do that. And if I wanted to now put something else here, maybe something not quite so sharp, I could do that. I'll just show you what I used to make this slide out. We've got a little piece of a rubber ball here that was hanging around, or plastic ball, that's what it is. But I'll show you the material inside the slide, which didn't cost me anything. Now here's the material that I used. I was driving home one day and saw this lying out at the road. Someone was disposing of a whole bunch of this stuff, and I picked some of it up. It's like a channel on top, which provides room for you to put your drills in, or whatever you decide to use. When you create your slide, all you need is a piece of wood that's cut to fit in here, and you're good to go. One of the other handy things that I've come up with is calculators with magnets on the back. This one here sticks to that metal, and I have others. I'm going to take a walk over here to the mill. And here's another one, really handy right in front of the mill for any calculations you need to do while you're working. And it's just got a magnet on the back also. And it stays there. That's not a problem. Those magnets are held on with super glue.